How to change App Store country or region to United States. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your App Store country to the United States. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first thing first, open the App Store on your iPhone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on your Apple ID at the top. And from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on country or region. And after that, you simply need to tap on change country or region. And after that, a menu with a list of countries will pop up. From there, simply scroll down and find United States in the list. And once you have located it, simply tap on it. And after that, tap on agree to accept the terms and conditions. And once you do that, you will be prompted to the page where you have to put up your payment and address details. So if you don't have a credit card or PayPal, you can select none as your payment method, and after that you need to enter your billing address starting from street, city, state, zip code and phone number. And once you're done filling out all the details in the billing address, you can simply tap on next. And after that, your App Store country will be changed to United States. And that's it. Now you know how to change App Store country or region to United States. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.